To satisfy your viewing experience, I'll take you to Disney Springs today.
There's Florida Polytechnical University. And I think it's a big STEM college. Nice cloud cover today.
So, notice this music? We are waiting for sports to come back. We sure are.
Beautiful day, for sure. Alright, we are back at Disney Springs, home of the Coca-Cola Museum and store, home to the new Planet Hollywood, home to the NBA Experience, CityWorks, and a whole lot more. There are lots of fun things to do here, so let's give it a shot for today, Tuesday the 10th. Beautiful day, for sure. The Beatrix Restaurant, Market and Coffee Bar might be coming soon. And it's another one of these new restaurants that could be up and coming here at Disney property. We will see. The new Cirque du Soleil show coming soon this year. Yeah, Cirque du Soleil. La Nuba is no more. It's all about going full Disney right now in this time to be a Disney fan.
That's right, Disney Springs has been home to many different places to go eat, to have fun, go shop, or to just enjoy life as you know it.
At Riviera Resort, where we will once again take the Skyliner somewhere. Maybe we can grab some treats, maybe we can just have some fun and just have another great casual day here at Disney property. Let's give it a try.
Yep, this is the view from one of the lobby balconies here at Riviera Resort. You got the pool, you got the Skyliner, you got the lake, and a whole bunch of people walking. Real life chessboard, and many more.
Alright, we're going to Epcot. Yay, new trail.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot.
Yes, we are. Hopefully we might get the
Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Yep, really nice day.
and plenty of air to breathe. Yep, now we're at the Beach Club and Yacht Club resorts. Enjoying a nice walk once in a while before we go into the next thing, like what we're supposed to do. Maybe we should pick up something to eat, or maybe just have a casual hangout. We'll see. Joffrey's at the Skyliner. A good place to go get some treats, like some ice cream, some drinks, and that's pretty much it. And, oh yeah, they got donuts too. Sebastian's Bistro. This looks like the new place that's just opened up here at Disney's Caribbean Beach. Wow. Would you look at that? Might check out this place. Let's see what this place has.
Sebastian's Bistro is the newest restaurant to open up at Caribbean Beach Resort. They have a lot of great flavors, such as Caribbean style food and a whole bunch of other stuff. So go check it out.
Centertown Market. A whole new place to go get some food and to just go hang out and shop or something. Whatever your pleasure is. Stay hydrated during the Caribbean Beach running trail, and this is the place to do it. Yep, there's Riviera Resort. And many more. Alright, now we're chilling at the bus stop at Riviera Resort. Very beautiful hotel, I must say. This is the newest one that opened up. Just want to reiterate that. And it's a nice day as well. It's great. And there's a fountain and there's a bus pulling up. No, that's for Animal Kingdom. But still, it's a good day so far. We are back at Disney Springs, and now it looks like we're gonna get back to the car, which is located in the orange garage. Then we'll likely drive home, drive back to the hotel, that is, and maybe we can probably call it a day. Who knows? Maybe it might come true. Those are the directions, and we're heading home. Excuse me.
And after that, it was back from Disney Springs to the hotel from there. Here are some highlights of the trip.
Alright, we have made it back to Bradenton, home of the Bishop Museum of Science and Nature, and the Farmers Market.
And now here's some comfort food to take you off this worry over the coronavirus.